Oh, out of focus. Good morning, all. Happy Friday, October 10th. Drink some coffee. I gotta get crack-a-lack, and I got a Zoom meeting with my new bookkeeper. I gotta get going here. So for thumbnail, I was gonna go with this, but just because I had a item not received case that I know I put all 5 postcards into the same sleeve. He only says he got 4. I don't know. I call bullshit. But it cost me a penny. So I'll ship him another one. So yesterday, 267. Nice little roll I'm on here today. 544 to start the day. So let's get going. Some of these I just listed, so I I brought them from downstairs or upstairs. I list upstairs. So yeah, I do all my listing upstairs and then just bring them down here where they're stored and packed. That in there. So sold a lighthouse. HN3. Choo-choo trains. I already pulled one. AQ40. But yeah, so it was nice calm thumbnail today. Nothing too crazy. What else is going on? Like I said, I only listed 50 yesterday. Okay, facing them. So, Richard, you're getting those 2. Just listed this. Members video. There is a members video on these generic scenic greetings. Ugh. Sold almost immediately. $10. Maybe I could have gotten 11 or 12 out of it, or not. So that is going. M33. I've had a couple of these. OBX, yeah. Nag's Head says I'm out. Let's see if I really am out. Sometimes I have 3. I'll say I have 2. If I have 5, I have 4 listed. That's just in case something happens. And I almost always have a backup. So let me see. Where are they? Please be here. Oh, there it is. Because there were times that I had 1 and I listed 2. So it's $15 card there. And he's back. Okay, Tom. I'm recording this one, Tom. This is the one you said you didn't get. Here's this one. There's 2 in here now. Okay, Tom. You got this one too. So that is also in here. And Tom, I do thank you for your purchases. And there you go. So there's now 4. And I think I will write on the sleeve 4 parts. Maybe that's what I need to do. 4 cards. Okay. And Jimmy came in. And that's an old one. Hopefully we have that one. Way up here. I know someday I'm going to catch that in the face. I just know it. Chicago. Where be the eyes? Okay, Chicago in the old system used to have its own tab. But everything used to have, it's now down to 1 tab. And looks like I just used R through Z. Okay, so it looks like he likes passenger stations. Man, these are old. Was it? Nope. I really don't have anything to talk about. I'm happy to be meeting with a new bookkeeper. Something I need to talk about. And get the tax guy on about forming an LLC or an S-Corp with an LLC component. I have saved a crap ton on... This is it. I've saved a crap ton on taxes. A crap ton. There's a lot of benefits, so... Oh, I got 2 of those. Okay, so which one is it? So I think it's that one. Yeah, because that one's used. Okay. So yeah, my last bookkeeper was horrible. Didn't do my books, and I hate shit books. QuickBooks, I hate it. There used to be a program. I can't remember who did it, but I think it was just called Money. Maybe it was Microsoft Money. So simple, so easy. I loved it. But I guess for all the things you need to do for business, I think they stopped making money. And but yeah, QuickBooks, I can't comprehend it. So when I was doing everything myself, my strategy was wait until February to gather all my stuff for taxes, and then just utterly hate life for a month or so while I was putting everything together. But so anyway, got rid of the old bookkeeper. I think it was like December. And I had to pay like $1,200 for him to reconcile my stuff from the beginning, because I just started using him in August, September. So he had to go back to January and fix my books. It's like $1,200, and then $260 a month. And I just stayed out of QuickBooks because he told me stay out of QuickBooks. Because I was getting in there and kind of adding stuff, doing the mileage and all that good stuff. And he's like, "No, don't do that because you're messing me up." I was like, "Okay, you're the professional." So I didn't touch it, but I did look in December, getting ready for the end of the year. And he said, according to him, I only made $5,000 for the year. I had a good year last year. And he didn't bring in any of my whatnot. He only had the $5,000 was from eBay. So if you understand QuickBooks, that's one thing. I don't. But if you're going the S-Corp route, get yourself a tax man. I hate the forms. He does it for me. Although there's things that he's missed that I've discovered on my own to, like pay myself back for mileage is one. So I use my personal truck, but I use it for business purposes. So the mileage that's like for going to the Allentown Paper Show, the business takes that money, or takes the mileage for tax purposes. Which I knew, but what he didn't tell me was that the business is like renting my truck. So the business can pay me a mileage check at 74 cents a mile, something like that. I didn't know that. So yes, I was taking it. The business was taking it as the business deduction, but I wasn't getting like reimbursed. I was just getting the tax benefit. But if you have to do some type of memo of something where you and the business reach an agreement that the business will use your truck or your vehicle. I'm not finding this card, probably because I'm talking too much. And that the business will, as long as I keep good records and file a monthly mileage list, and the business will cut you for a mileage check. So every month I write myself a mileage check. Sometimes it can be, I don't know, 30 or 40 bucks. I went right over it. Or a couple hundred. So I'm getting my money back, and I get the tax benefit, or the business gets the tax. Anyway, set by RAs, you can set up your own retirement. It's just so many benefits. So, but I am not a tax guy or a financial expert. So seek your own advice. But if you're making okay money, and I don't know what that is, 50, 60,000 maybe, you might want to spend the money to or more, whatever. You might want to spend the money to get become an S-Corp. So it's expensive because my monthly bills are a bookkeeper, a tax man. You have to have insurance, all the little things you have to file, and what else is my monthly? There's something else I pay monthly. I can't remember. Maybe it's just all the bills, but you can put like your cell phone bill under the corporation. There's a lot of benefits to it. So I think that's it. Let's look real quick at that one, because I was talking. Maybe Tom. Maybe I did misfile the postcard you said you didn't get. It's now in here with your 3 other cards. And then that one, and that one, that one, and that one. Okay. That's it. Wow, a 12.5-minute video. Oh, this is Friday. Hold on. This weekend, Saturday, 1 day, half hour. I think there's 20-some sellers. Ephemerama 29. Look for a little ghosty thing. I am at 8 or 8:30. One of those ones. I can't remember. Yeah, I'm at 8:30. So come check me out. Postcard shows this weekend, starting today, Omaha, New York, Dayton, Ohio, and next week, Wichita. So go to a postcard show. I think that's it. I didn't see any questions from yesterday. So everybody, thank you. Hope you have a good day. And shipping holiday Monday, I think it is. Okay. Have a great day.